real sweet and quick. This is what I woke up to. It is almost 12 o'clock p.m. Ugh. One day I'll look back on this video and laugh, I hope. Or their neighbors. Their cars would have probably been underwater or their motor anyway. Ain't have been getting water in it. Not real bad though yet. This is just typical. Over the streets, a couple of spots. I literally just got out of bed. No, I'm not standing here in my boxers or my pajamas. LOL. I could though. Nobody's here. My car is in there. Looks like we're gonna have to take my car over there. That house there, it has been there for a long time. If you look to the left of it, you'll see there's some water back there. That's the canal. So it's not quite coming over yet, but most likely it is starting to back up right there at the ditch, and that ditch feeds all the way back to 1765. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, about 10 blocks of drainage coming this way towards me. Quite a bit. Yard stretch. No wind damage, nothing like that. Everybody's still got power. We're good to go. There are some feeder bands still feeding in. I don't plan on a break for a while. It's probably going to be heavy to moderate rain for the rest of the daylight hours into the night, most likely. This is still going to be the heaviest part today, most likely. I hope, and I hope we're done today. Possibility we're gonna do all right today. The next few days, watch the radar, watch the weatherman. I'll be updating as the water rises from time to time. Just follow me on Facebook. I'll let you know what I can when I can. As long as we have power, all that good stuff. But I plan on being here until I gotta swim off in a trash can with an oar. We'll be right here. Love y'all. Have fun. Crank up some music. Eat a cheeseburger for me. Whataburger sounds good. I don't know what you can see of me. That's me. Still half asleep. I haven't washed my face, brushed my teeth, nothing. I got up, took some medicine on my morning heart meds, whatever, and drank me an Ensure. It's good shit. Drink 2 Ensures like a little meal. I usually do that when I don't feel like eating when I gotta take medicines. I'm good to go. Plenty of food, plenty of drinks, whatever I need. Alright, why we need to shave? I don't know how well y'all can see me, but right. Mr. Elwood. He's not very happy. Mr. Elwood, what do you think? Ready to watch some bugs from the front steps? Maybe some fish swim by? There are fish to come up here. This is Mr. Elwood's first little event. Now we gotta start watching for the snakes and spiders. I seen one little spider. This reminded me. I did see one snake yesterday. He was about 4 foot long at the corner. He was headed down the ditch. I couldn't tell what it was. That's typical. No biggie. Nothing unusual around here. Back to the neighbors again. One last view here. Rain just slowed down just as I was coming out here. So I don't know how long it's been off and on, but it was raining hard when I got up, and when I come out here it slowed. So. Everything's A-okay. I'm okay. I think probably a little bit wacky, but I'm okay. Alright, I'm going to make me some more tea, and we'll update some more shit later. Oh my gosh. I think I'll go take a shower, brush my teeth, comb my hair, brush my butt. I don't know, something. Alright, y'all have fun.